Hello everyone. So this big pile is for a future journal of a cowboy journal, and I have so many bits and pieces and everything else. I thought maybe turn it on, organize it a little. I have pages that I've started to going off and cutting and everything. So I want to get some of these pieces in some organized order here. I mean, this we can just fold up. Again, I've been keeping pieces that I thought might be good for this and that, and it's just like starting to become a little bit overbearing, all the different things. More pages. The note that was given to me for the Western type theme journal. I have a bag. Again, it seems like I've had a lot of things just collecting in here and there and everywhere, and it's like, oh, what was I planning? Oh, I have pieces falling out of it. This is a piece of paper. I have pieces of fabric. I'm thinking I have more than enough to make more than one journal at this point. I mean, just random playing card here. More pieces, more fabric. Some of this fabric's just too much to fit in. This piece of some lovely lace, but I think I'm going to stick the lace in with my lace. This feels kind of like a washcloth fabric. I don't know. Again, I hold on to everything. Can you tell? Seam binding or something like that. I don't know. Again, I've been keeping all this stuff just sitting. I did this cover ready to go for this journal series. I have tags up the wazoo that just need to be decorated. Some burlap, more seam binding, more seam binding. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Elegant lace. I'm going to put it with my laces. I have pockets that have been pre-made, ready to go for this. I mean, yeah, an overwhelming amount of stuff. I have this piece too, which I think this may just go in with a farm journal. Actually, it's coming off, so I'm actually gonna take it off the cardboard. I have no clue what this is. I'm guessing this is how it goes. No clue. It's gonna go in my other area here. More cards. More pieces, random pieces here. Another card. Again, I just wanted to get this a little bit more under control. because it was definitely not under control. Buttons. That's a cute little thing. So buttons for this. Yeah. As I said, we definitely need to put it under some kind of control here. So here are all our small pieces and bits and everything in one spot. We have 4 things a string that we can be using in this journal, not including the tiny thing. And we have the seam binding, which I thought would work perfectly around it, so we'll see. Actually, I'm going to grab the playing card here and put a little, oops, hopefully not throw my scissors. I'm just putting a little slit on both sides. There we go. And then we'll use this to travel it around. This way I'm not losing my seam binding here. So again, I have more than enough to make a couple journals, I'm sure, just because look at this. I mean, it's amazing how much I was given, but at the same time, working through it is another thing to do. Okay, now it's fabric. Let's get all these pieces of fabric together here. And the burlap. And again, I do plan on doing more than just a little bit, but this seems kind of Christmassy. I think I'm going to save this for a Christmas journal. We'll refile it. And I have a journal. I think I'm going to pull up these blues for a different journal that's similar but not the exact same. I really like these for this journal, but I have plans for a like country journal, so some of this I can save for that. Doesn't all have to be for this. And I really like these pieces, so I think what I might do is I might be just gluing them onto another piece. I don't know. This would be cute as a belly band, though. If I glue that down and this down, yeah, that'd make a cute little belly band. I know she didn't do the stamping for that, but I think it really would be. And then we have our papers again. These are kind of grungier looking papers. I was trying to go for a little bit grungier and stuff like that. These are big pieces of paper. I was thinking about, again, using the snippet roll too with this. So, them are our fabrics. Here are our papers. I'm just going to stick them right inside here. All the paper stuff. Set this in the area here on my shelf. And then I can stick this in there. And again, I can refile these to be a part of something else. I'm going to refile this into the Christmas. I just really think that's Christmas plaid. Don't know why. So, there we go. We got ourselves very organized now on the shelf. Thank you for joining me for that little bit of organization. But sometimes when I'm starting a new project, I like to have it organized a little bit. It probably won't be a start to finish project just because a lot of the stuff we've already done in earlier videos within the last year. I've been kind of just letting it sit for about 6 months. So now I'm trying to get going with it and everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.